Hello guys, good morning. My name is Vela Kinanti. I want to tell you about unforgettable experience. It is about my traveling to Malang City. My family and I went to Malang City for holiday. We stayed in Malang Resort and visited Cempaka Forest. We got up to saw sunrise and went to Cempaka Forest. At the Cempaka Forest, we give feed to a rabbit, then we played together. Before we went to home, we got a rest to eat meatball. We come back to Surabaya at the noon. Well, that is all of my story. I hope you get something good from my experience. Thank you for listening. See you later.